Good afternoon, y'all. I'm going to be doing a flip through from my design team project for Sunflowers and Dors over on Etsy. I used her Sunflower and Dors printable digital kit to make this journal. This is one of the covers that comes in the kit, and I just printed it and then backed it with some coffee dyed paper. Let me get this journal open. I tied it just with some ribbon. On the inside cover, I cut down a page and made a large pocket out of it. And I put a journaling card in here that I made using pieces from the kit. This was a page I cut down from the kit, and then a tag that's available in the kit. I backed that with some brown packing paper. I added some modern pages in as well. Some yellow steno paper. Here I made an altered paper clip, hidden paper clip. And I clipped in a postcard from the kit. And here's a tag from one of the kits. I say one of the kits. When you receive the kit, it will be in several different pieces. It is a massive kit. Another altered paper clip here. And this ledger paper is modern ledger. I left some pieces long for fold outs. Included some more journaling cards that I made. This is one of my favorite pages from the kit. I love the bottles. Another altered paper clip here and fold out. And a large journaling card that I made by cutting down one of the full-size pages. And then on the other side, another journaling card. Now I do have videos showing how I made the journaling cards and the paper clips for this journal. Lots and lots of writing space in this journal as well. Another paper clip here. I used a lot of fussy cuts creating these paper clips. Postcard here. And all of the words and phrases that you see used throughout also come with the kit. This is the center of the signature. I bound this with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, tied the strings in a knot and then a bow, so you can untie them and add things to them if you would like. This is another page I really like. The little sun hats are super cute. Another altered paper clip. And another postcard from the kit. And a tag from the kit. Another paper clip and several more journaling cards here. And on the back cover, I cut another full page down to make a pocket and placed a journaling card, a tag, and a large journaling card in this pocket as well. You can find the information below where you can get this kit. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good afternoon.